Wouldn't that blow through like... If you got slung off something, wouldn't that blow through the window?
Not that plastic shouldn't, but yeah. Anyways, this is a 20-gram flash powder pipe bomb. My mate Nick is lighting it up. Yeah, it's inside a... What is it? What is it? Tackle box, I guess?
He's going to die.
A little toolbox. We're going to blow the fuck out of this toolbox. Right?
Don't dare to be working.
Yeah.
We've got a bit of distance so we don't get blown the fuck up.
I can't. That is dead, Dad. He's dead.
Oh, get fucked!
What?
You're right.
So you're gonna have to censor me. More video goes for about 3 seconds.
Ah, he's dead! I'm not watching this. Mayday.
I hope it works.
If not, if it does, you go bang in like 5 minutes. Throw rocks at it, eh?
No, it'll go bang in about 20 seconds.
Oh! I miss it.
Come on, box.
Look for spot fires. Maybe just get in the car straight away and we'll fuck.
Whoa!
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Fuck it.